Welcome everybody. Alright, so before we get started with the course, there's a few things that we need to set up before that. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to jsbin.com and you can go ahead and you can sign up for your own account there. It's all free, etc. Now, the thing about this, once you sign in, you can actually save what you do, and I highly recommend saving everything you do. It's kind of like Sketches. If you're an artist or something like that, you want to save everything that you do. And just for you to look back in, and sometimes you might have a really good idea and you can go back and actually save it. So you need JSBin. Now the other thing that you need is you need an up-to-date web browser. Now this is either Internet Explorer 9, the latest version of Firefox, or the latest version of Chrome. Now for all of my web programming tutorial series, I use Google Chrome, and the reason is it has the best support out of all of them. I highly recommend that you do use Chrome, and if for whatever reason you're going through this tutorial series and all of a sudden something doesn't work, or something you type in exactly the way I type it in and it ends up looking a little different, chances are the reason is you're not in Chrome. Chrome has the best support for HTML5 and just general web support. So I highly recommend just using Chrome. You can use other browsers and they will for the most part work. However, Chrome is usually the best. Now the second thing that I want to talk about is that in this tutorial series I'm going to show you how to use HTML. Now the only way you get better at programming is to do it. You can't, for the most part, just listen to this tutorial series. You want to actually do it. And if you just type in what I type in, you'll have something at the end to show for it. It's just a very simple tutorial series on HTML, and you just have to type it in and just go through the tutorial series just the same way that I'm doing this here. So if I type something in, you type something in, etc. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's start programming HTML. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.